everyone, today I will demonstrate on how to do external douche or perineal care. So what is perineal care? It is the washing of genitals and anal area with plain water or medicated solutions. The purpose of this is to cleanse the area of secretion and excretions, to reduce unpleasant odors, to prevent skin irritation and excoriation, to control the potential for infection, and to promote comfort. So the next thing to do is to prepare the materials we will going to use. First is the bed pan or the basin. Next is the bed cover, the bath blanket, and a sterile covered flushing can with sterile water or a pitcher with sterile water, a sterile pick-up forceps in a disinfectant solution, a jar of dry sterile cotton balls, a jar of sterile cotton balls soaked in soap sud solution, and a jar of sterile cotton balls soaked in antiseptic solution. And next is the kidney basin, toilet paper, working forceps, a working gloves, 2 pairs, a sanitary pad, and a lotion. Next is introduce yourself and explain your intentions. Exchanging information allays fears and promotes cooperation. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Mark Eugene Gallego, your nurse for today. And today we will do a perineal hygiene care. Is that okay with you? The next thing is to screen the patient and close the doors, windows, or pull down curtain. This will ensure the client's privacy. The next is to raise the bed to working height and place the bed protector if available, as well as to change the top sheet with bath blanket if available. So, purpose of this is to cleansing may wet or soil and unprotected bed. Next is to wear your gloves and drape the client with a bath blanket in a diamond shape to permit exposure of the perineal area. And this will protect the nurse from infection, and also the nurse will provide a warmth and is respectful of the client's modesty. Next is to place the client on a bedpan in a dorsal recumbent position. The bedpan will collect the water used during the perineal cleansing. Next is to test the water temperature by pouring over the back of the nurse's hand or on the client's thigh. Warm. Next is to flush the area with warm water on a soapy solution until the area is clean. With 1 cotton ball soaked in soap sud solution, wash the mons veneris in a zigzag motion. Like so, from inner and outer. And on the other side. Inner and outer. And wash the upper part of the labia majora and continue doing it upward toward the alveolus using the same motion. Ay bugo! Anong duwa? Next is to wash the upper aspect of the labia majora and continue doing upward toward the obliquus using the same motion. On the other side. Next cotton is using inner aspect of the near thigh using similar strokes. Next one. And, the next cotton ball is used to wash the farther labia majora in a downward stroke towards the groin. And also do the same on the other labia. Next is to use the 6 cotton ball in soak in soak solution used to wash the in downward stroke from the clitoris, meatus, vaginal opening to perineum. Sige, sumpay. And the above step is repeated with 7 cotton ball in soak solution to include the anus. So from clitoris to anus. Is to rinse with sterile water and dry using toilet paper from front to back. And next is to apply lotion on buttocks as needed. Next is to rinse with sterile water and dry using toilet paper from front to back. And next is to remove the client from bed pad or basin and turn to side and dry the anal area using the toilet paper. And apply lotion on the buttocks as needed. Next is to put on diaper or sanitary pad or underwear. Remove the bed protector and replace the butt blanket with top sheet and make kind comfortable. Remove. Is to bring the equipment back to the utility room and remove gloves and wash your hands because hand washing deters the spread of microorganisms. Lastly is to document the performance of the procedure, the objective and the subjective findings of the client's response.